Welcome to the latest edition of Oncology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Merck has achieved a significant milestone as the European Commission approved Keytruda, or pembrolizumab, for resectable PD-L1 positive, locally advanced head and neck squamous cell carcinoma. The approval is based on the KEYNOTE-689 trial involving 714 patients, showing a 30% improvement in event-free survival with a hazard ratio of 0.70. This marks the first anti-PD-1 regimen approved in the European Union for resectable head and neck cancer, expressing PD-L1, with a combined positive score of 1 or higher. In the United States, Cellectar Biosciences has received the FDA's Rare Pediatric Disease Designation for Iopofosine I-131 in pediatric high-grade glioma. The Phase 1b CLOVER-2 study demonstrated extended progression-free and overall survival with a favorable safety profile. The designation enables potential receipt of a priority review voucher upon approval, strengthening Cellectar's pediatric oncology portfolio. Biotherapeutics reported the first complete response to CAR T-cell therapy in non-small cell lung cancer. The EVEREST-2 Phase 1 Phase 2 study evaluated A2B694, a logic-gated CAR T-cell therapy in 9 solid tumor patients. 1 patient with non-small cell lung cancer achieved a complete response with no dose-limiting toxicities observed. This milestone highlights the emerging potential of logic-gated CAR-T platforms in solid tumors. In China, Akeso received its 4th breakthrough therapy designation from the Center for Drug Evaluation for Ivonescimab, in combination with chemotherapy in first-line triple-negative breast cancer. The bispecific PD-1 and VEGF antibody continues to expand its footprint, with the Harmony BC1 Phase 3 trial currently underway. This marks Akeso's 4th breakthrough designation across multiple tumor types, reinforcing its leadership in bispecific immunotherapy development. Gilead Sciences announced results from the ASCENT-07 Phase 3 study of Trodelvy in HR-positive, HER2-negative metastatic breast cancer. The trial compared Trodelvy against chemotherapy in 654 patients and did not meet its primary endpoint of progression-free survival. However, an early overall survival trend favors Trodelvy, with data maturation ongoing. Daiichi Sankyo and AstraZeneca's Enhertu gained Health Canada approval as the first HER2-directed therapy for hormone receptor-positive, HER2-low or ultra-low metastatic breast cancer after progression on endocrine therapy. The DESTINY-Breast06 trial, with 866 participants, showed Enhertu reduced the risk of progression or death by 36% compared to chemotherapy, with a hazard ratio of 0.64 and a p-value less than 0.0001. In another Canadian development, AbbVie's Elahere received a positive reimbursement recommendation from Canada's Drug Agency and the Agency for Medicines and Technologies in Health under the Target Zero program. This decision enables access to Elahere for patients with FR alpha-positive platinum-resistant ovarian cancer, marking the first new reimbursable option in more than 10 years. The move is expected to influence pricing and formulary competition in ovarian cancer care. Relmada Therapeutics reported that the FDA has endorsed 2 registrational Phase 3 study paths for NDV-01 in non-muscle invasive bladder cancer. Following a Type B pre-IND meeting, the agency confirmed that no additional non-clinical data are required. The proposed pathways include a single-arm study for refractory BCG unresponsive patients and a randomized controlled trial for those with intermediate-risk disease. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.